Municipal Mayor, Vice Mayor Albert Hermosa, the Municipal Administrator, Neves, to the members of the San Bayan Department Heads, LG employees, fellow uniformed personnel, partners, and guests, yung buntag na natungkalan. So, ang buwan na, duha ka importanteng lihukan ng atong ginas-celebrar. Una, National Women's Month, duha ang Fire Prevention Month. Fire of Women. Kasi bantayan ninyo, pareho na silang init. So, sugod niya, ikagapong ang kawa, at resultan na itong mga bana, we have partner ang pag-intensify sa atong efforts para ma-prevent ang possible fire na may tabo sa atong banangan. Anyway, kining aside, by virtue of the Presidential Proclamation number 115-8, way back in 1966, the month of March was declared as the Fire Prevention Month. Tungod kinitong panahona, doon ay daghang natala ng kaso sa sunog tungod sa kainit sa panahon ug mas grabe ang demand sa paggamit sa kuryente sa atong mga panagay. So, this reflects something important. Fire prevention starts at home. It starts with discipline, education, and consistency. The theme this year, sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa. It's very clear. Fire safety is not the responsibility of the BFE alone. Fire, it is shared by families, business owners, barangays, the entire LGU unit, and to every single one of us. Most fire incidents are preventable. Multi-electrical wiring, multi-cooking, electrical overload. These are not complicated problems. These are issues of habit and compliance. That's why this month, PPP Ilongos will intensify its fire safety inspections to establishments, strengthen fire safety education and training in schools and communities, especially to high-risk and most vulnerable residents. We will remain firm in implementing the fire code, not to burden anyone, but to protect lives and property. To our LGU, under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Manuel Albert Hermosa, thank you for your generous support to our fire safety initiatives. Your leadership strengthens our capability to serve the people of Ilongos. To our partner agencies, the PNP, the MDRMO, the PCG, LECO, barangay officials, traffic, volunteers, effective emergency management, defense and prevention and coordination. So when agencies work together, response becomes faster and more efficient. As we also observe the National Women's Month, we recognize the leadership, strength, and contribution of women in public service and in every home. A safe community is built not only by responders, but by responsible citizens. And women play a vital role in that foundation. Let us remember simple but critical reminders. Check electrical wiring regularly at homes. Avoid electrical connections. Do not leave cooking unattended. And keep emergency numbers accessible. Fire prevention is not seasonal. Safety is not optional. And responsibility belongs to all of us. Let this month not be limited to ceremonies and carpoolings. Let it result in safer homes, compliant establishments, and a more prepared Ilongos. Once again, maraming salamat kung padayon kita sa pagtimbangay para sa luwas ng komunidad. Ingat ka, Ilongos.
Thank you so much.